All right, in this video, we are going to graph a system of linear inequalities. So the first linear inequality is y is greater than x minus 2. So we're going to begin at -2 and then go up 1, right 1, because our slope is positive 1. So then, since we have this greater than symbol, it's going to be a dashed line because it's not included. Any points on that line is not included in the shading. Now, since some of you guys are at home, I will show you how to do the Desmos. So all you have to do is type in the inequality that was given. It will shade for you. Notice that it says greater than, and it is shading above the line, so that's a good trick to know. Greater than means above. Now we're going to graph the second inequality, going to begin at +1 and then go down 1, right 1 over and over again. Now notice that this symbol is greater than or equal to, so that is a solid line. So all I have to do here is hit enter. Y is greater than. Hit the greater than symbol on the keyboard and then the equal sign right behind it, and then Desmos combines them for you. -x plus 1. And then I'm going to shade to the right because that is greater than. Now the double shaded where my black and red meet, or on Desmos, you can pick any ordered pair in this region. So 4, 6 would work. 2, 6 would work. So those are two solutions. So 2, 6, 4, 6. Now you're going to do the same thing for your turn. Going to begin at +5. Go up 1, right 3. Down and to the left. Notice I see a line, so I'm going to draw a line. Of course, yours is going to be straighter than mine. So I'm going to exit out of this. So y is less than or equal to, so just do less than and equal. 1 over 3, move over the x, plus 5. Less than means below, so I'm going to shade below. I'm going to do the second one. I'm going to begin at -2, go up 3, right 1, up 3, right 1. Then do the opposite. Okay, so this is no equal sign under it, so it's going to be a dashed line. So then it's y is greater than 3x minus 2. Notice that Desmos does the dashed line too, and it also does the solid line. And then I'm going to shade above. Now any ordered pairs, like -2, 1, -3, 1, that's in the double shaded, is going to be your answer. Now example 2 is a little trickier because you're going to have to solve. But for the first one, we're going to begin at +4, go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. That's going to be a solid line. Now notice that it says greater than or equal to. Greater than means above. And then what we have to do is add 3x on both sides. So then I have 6y is less than or equal to 3x plus 18. Divide by 6. So then I'm going to begin at 3 and then do the same slope. Please note that this is parallel lines with opposite symbols. So one is a greater than and less than. So something's going to happen here. Less than. These are solid lines. It's going to create a no solution. It is no solution because our purple and orange will never meet. For your turn, you're going to do the exact same thing. Begin at 2, go down 1, right 1, over and over again. This one's going to be a solid line because it's greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to goes up. Got to solve for y here. Begin at -2, go down 1, right 1. This is going to be a dashed line. And since it's a less than symbol, notice my two shaded areas will never intersect. So it's no solution. Now, something that we did today are word problems. Please use this guide to help you. You have to come up with our x value and your y value. So in this case, the ninth graders are hosting the next school dance. We need to make at least a profit of $500. So at least gets you this symbol from selling tickets. And then at most 300 tickets. So they're going to earn $3 for advance tickets and $4 at the door. So these are going to be our advance tickets. And then these will be our door tickets. So we have to come up with a system of inequalities. So we want total tickets because we're looking for the big idea. And then we're looking for total profit. So everything in the first inequality will have to deal with tickets, X and Y. The nice thing about the first one is it will always be X plus Y. Now, how many tickets are they looking to sell? They're looking to sell at most 300. So then just copy down the inequality that we found. Now, the second inequality is talking about how much they're earning. So they're earning $3 for advance and $4 for tickets at the door. So that's where the coefficients are coming in. We are going to need that should be a 3. $3 in profit for advance tickets plus $4 advance for the door tickets. Now, this is crucial. This is really important. How much money do they want to make? It's this one right here. So they're looking for at least, which we already found out was greater than 500. For this part, we're going to skip. Okay, for number 2. Okay, we're having a summer bash, going to buy hamburgers and chicken. So let that be X, let that be Y. So we're going to have X plus Y because that's our total amount. Okay, so we're going to talk about pounds here. And then once again, we're going to talk about cost. So the total amount of pounds is 12. It says at least. What did we learn at least meant? It means greater than or equal to. So we know that we're going to have X amount of pounds plus Y amount of chicken is going to be greater than or equal to 12 pounds. Now let's group up the cost. The cost, we said hamburger is going to be $2 per pound. Chicken's going to be 3, and we don't want to spend no more than 30. Let's look at what no more means. No more means no larger. So $30 is going to be our limit. So then we're going to do less than or equal to $30. Now you're going to try number 3 on your own over break. You can skip these 2 types of questions or those 3 types of questions. All I'm looking for is doing the system of linear inequalities, not the graphing.